Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dinosaur Legos is probably one of the most exciting ways for boys aged 8 to 12 to dive into the prehistoric world. These sets offer a unique blend of creativity and education, allowing kids to build and play with their favorite dinosaurs. From the mighty T-Rex to the soaring Pterodactyl, these Lego sets bring these ancient creatures to life in a fun and engaging way, perfect for any young dino enthusiast or building block aficionado. Number 5. LEGO Jurassic World Baryonyx Treasure Hunt 75935. Get ready for a thrilling treasure hunt. This set includes everything you need to recreate exciting scenes from Jurassic World. It's packed with adventure and fun. Construct a cool off-roader, a trailer with a detailed interior, and a jungle scene. This allows you to create your own Jurassic World scenarios. The possibilities are endless. Join Owen Grady, Claire Dearing, Danny Nettermeyer, and Sinjean Prescott. Plus, there's Red the dog and a posable Baryonyx dinosaur figure. They're ready for action. This set lets you recreate thrilling action from the LEGO Jurassic World animated series. It's perfect for kids and fans of all ages. You'll love playing with it. The off-road buggy, trailer, jungle scene, and Baryonyx dinosaur figure are all perfectly sized for play. It's a great gift for any dinosaur enthusiast. It is a great addition to any LEGO collection. With 434 pieces, this set encourages creative play. It can be combined with other LEGO sets. It's a great way to spark imagination. What we like. This set offers a thrilling treasure hunt adventure with its off-roader vehicle and detailed trailer. It includes multiple minifigures for role-playing. If you are looking for a set that combines action, adventure, and character play, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. He could not stop. He finished more than half on his first night and the balance on his second. It has provided hours of creative play along with continuing development of his fine motor control skills. It is a fun set to build. Not too difficult because it is broken down into 3 main sections. He has many LEGO Jurassic sets and this is a really nice one. Number 4. LEGO Ideas 21320 Dinosaur Fossils Building Kit. Become a paleontologist and explore the ancient world. This kit lets you build detailed dinosaur skeletons. The set includes buildable models of a T-Rex, Triceratops, and Pteranodon. Each model comes with display stands, perfect for showcasing them. The set also includes a LEGO paleontologist minifigure and a Sapiens skeleton figure. You can recreate a natural history museum right in your home. With 910 pieces, this set is a fantastic gift for ages 16 and up. It's great for solo building or sharing the fun with friends and family. This LEGO Ideas set is compatible with other LEGO sets. You can create your own unique toy museum with the pieces you already own. The T-Rex skeleton model is the biggest, measuring over 7 inches tall and 15 inches long. These models will be an eye-catching centerpiece in any room. What we like. With this set, you can build detailed dinosaur skeleton models for display. It includes a paleontologist minifigure to enhance the role-playing experience. If you are a fan of natural history and enjoy building unique display pieces, this set is a must-have. What people say. The head, neck and tails of the dinos move slightly, so you can reposition them in slightly different ways. The instruction booklets provide clear directions. The final dinos look awesome. Number 3. LEGO Jurassic World Indominus Rex vs Ankylosaurus 75941. Get ready to recreate thrilling scenes from the Jurassic World movie. This set features 2 awesome dinosaurs and exciting action for hours of fun. It's a great way to spark your imagination. This set includes the mighty Indominus Rex and the armored Ankylosaurus. The set also comes with the iconic gyrosphere deployment station. It's a battle of the ages. Join Owen Grady, Claire Dearing, and the Mitchell brothers in the adventure. The set includes 5 minifigures to bring the story to life. You can create your own Jurassic World stories. Explore the gyrosphere station with its ticket booth and launch function. The jungle build includes trees that the Ankylosaurus can knock down. There are so many ways to play. With 537 pieces, this set offers a rewarding building experience for kids aged 8 and up. It's perfect for solo play or group fun. This is a great gift for any occasion. The gyrosphere station measures over 4 inches high and 10 inches wide and deep. Combine this set with other LEGO Jurassic World sets for even more creative adventures. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This set features the epic clash between Indominus Rex and Ankylosaurus, along with a gyrosphere station. It includes multiple minifigures for interactive play. If you like recreating movie scenes and engaging in dinosaur battles, this set will provide hours of creative fun. What people say. The Indominus is really great, it's sturdy and has more detail than the original. The minifigures have excellent printing and are movie accurate. Fun to build and one of my favorite sets I have so far. Number 2. LEGO Jurassic World Carnotaurus Dinosaur Chase 76941. Get ready for a thrilling adventure with this LEGO Jurassic World set. It features a buildable helicopter and pickup truck, perfect for exciting dinosaur chases. This set is sure to spark your imagination. Join Kenji, Sammy, and Owen Grady as they embark on a daring mission. This set includes 3 minifigures, ready to take on the Carnotaurus. They are ready for action. Encounter the fearsome Carnotaurus. This posable toy figure adds a thrilling element to the play. It's ready to chase after the heroes. The helicopter has an opening cockpit, spinning propeller, and a stud shooter. The truck has space for all 3 minifigures. They are ready to take on any challenge. Inspired by Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous, this set is a great gift for kids aged 7 and up. It's perfect for creative play every day. They will love it. This set makes a cool birthday present or surprise treat. It's a fun set with a helicopter, truck, dinosaur figure, and minifigures. It's a great gift for any occasion. What we like. This set includes a helicopter and a truck, allowing for exciting chase scenes. It features a posable Carnotaurus figure and multiple minifigures. If you enjoy high-speed chases and action-packed scenarios, this set is designed for you. What people say. He built it quickly with no issues. No missing or broken pieces. Great quality. It was a perfect combination of fun and challenging. All the pieces were included. The directions were easy to follow. He really enjoys these LEGO prehistoric animals. To him they're very interesting and dynamic in their prehistoric environment of trying to survive in an environment completely unknown to any human being or for that matter any animal alive today on land or water. It's truly amazing. Bottom line, truly great learning kits from LEGO. If you're into that. Number 1. LEGO Jurassic Park Dilophosaurus Ambush 76958. This LEGO set lets kids recreate a classic scene. It's a great way for them to build and play, bringing the movie to life. The set includes a detailed Jeep and a Dilophosaurus dinosaur figure. The Jeep has a seat for a minifigure, and it's decorated with muddy footprints. The set features a Dennis Nedry minifigure and a Barbasol can. Kids can act out the iconic scene from the movie with this character. There's also a small jungle build with plant elements and an East Dock sign. Kids can knock it over for added fun. This 211-piece set is a great gift idea for kids aged 6 and up. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays, encouraging creative play. The Jeep is the perfect size for on-the-go play sessions. It's easy to take with them wherever they go. The LEGO Builder app guides kids through the building process. They can zoom in, rotate models, and track their progress. What we like. This set lets you recreate a memorable scene from Jurassic Park with a Dilophosaurus and a Jeep. It's a collectible set perfect for fans of the movie. If you are a fan of the classic Jurassic Park and enjoy collecting iconic scenes, this set is a great choice. What people say. This one has a good amount of detail. The gimmicks from the movie were funny. There's a Barbasol can, a spinning dock sign, and Nedry's face has an alternate venomized version. All great fun that captures that scene of the movie perfectly. The Dilophosaurus figure is impressively detailed, and the Jeep build is both sturdy and true to the movie. The inclusion of iconic details like the Barbasol can is a fantastic touch for fans. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.